How to connect Hotstar to Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1. Download the Hotstar app from Samsung Smart Hub. Step number 1. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the Smart Hub. Step number 2. Go to the apps section. Using the arrow keys, navigate to apps and press enter to open the Samsung App Store. Step number 3. Search for the Hotstar app. Use the search function, usually indicated with a magnifying glass icon, to search for Hotstar. Type Hotstar and select it from the search results. Step number 4. Install the Hotstar app. Select Install to download and install Hotstar on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 5. Open and sign in. After installation, open the Hotstar app from your apps list. Sign in with your Hotstar account credentials to start streaming. Method number 2. Screen mirroring from a mobile device. If the Hotstar app is unavailable on your Samsung Smart TV model, you can mirror your mobile device to the TV. Step number 1. Enable screen mirroring on your TV. Go to Settings, General, External Device Manager, Device Connect Manager, and enable screen mirroring. Step number 2. Open Hotstar on your mobile device. Launch the Hotstar app on your smartphone and play the content you want to watch. Step number 3. Cast or mirror to Samsung TV. For Android, use the Smart View option found in Quick Settings to select your Samsung TV. For iPhone, use AirPlay in Control Center to select your Samsung TV. Step number 4. Start watching. Once connected, your mobile device screen will be mirrored on your Samsung TV, allowing you to watch Hotstar content.